Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet automations for change notifications step by step clearly. Open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet containing the automations you need to update. Locate the Automation tab at the top of your sheet. Click on it to open the automation options. Review the current automations listed to identify which one needs modification for change notifications. Select the automation you wish to update. Click on the Edit button to begin modifying the automation settings. In the Edit window, review the trigger settings to ensure they align with your desired notification criteria. Make any necessary changes to the triggers. Scroll down to the Notification Settings section. Here, you can decide who will receive the notifications and how they are alerted. Edit the recipients list by adding or removing email addresses as needed. You may also customize the notification message to provide more context. Once you've completed all your updates, review the entire automation for accuracy. When satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button and click it. Your updated automation is now ready to be used. Test the automation by making a change in the sheet to ensure notifications are sent correctly. If everything works as expected, your Smartsheet automations for change notifications have been successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.